Hi, it's Tasha from WTI, and these are awesome bottle brushes.
These brushes are awesome. They have soft, flexible bristles, really nice quality, wooden handles, and I know they're going to last me a long time. They've been so convenient when I'm washing my dishes in my kitchen. I have a variety of bottles or vases that I am constantly needing a bottle brush for. My coffee mug I use every day. I want to make sure I can get into every crevice so that it is sanitized and I feel safe using it. It's great for small bottles, for large bottles, for medium bottles, for tall bottles, even for straws. I use these all the time for my reusable straws that I am using, whether they are metal or plastic. The small brush fits right down in there perfectly and does a great job.
That's my point of view.